be honest for a second, if making money online was as easy as people make it sound, then everyone would already be rich. Yeah, but that's not the case. And today, I'm not here to hype you up or sell you a dream. I want to talk about how people actually do make money online. The boring truths. Today, we are sharing the boring truth, the part nobody likes to say out loud. Yeah, all they say is make money online, make money online. If you've tried one thing after another and felt like you were the problem, stay with me. This video is for us. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Heavenly Gracie. If you're new here, you're very much welcome. On this channel, we'll talk about online income, we'll talk about digital opportunities, we'll talk about real strategies that make sense, where you can make money. Especially if you're starting from zero. Yeah, if you're a beginner. Now let's get into today's video. Before we start, please don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to turn on your notification bell so you don't get to miss any of my video. Yeah, so now let's talk about why people don't make money online. Here is the uncomfortable truth. Most online business model actually works. Yes, drop shipping works, freelancing actually works, content creation, it works. Yes, the problem is not the method. Yeah, the problem is people, you and I. Most people jump from one thing to another. 1 week it's crypto, the next week it's Amazon KDP, after that it's affiliate marketing. Hey! I shall jumping from this to this. They never actually stay long enough to see results. And online income doesn't reward excitement, it rewards consistency. Yeah, that's the part nobody puts in their thumbnail. All you see is make money online, make money online, make money online. Well, we are going to be talking about 3 stages everyone passes through before you even start earning online. Everyone who makes money online goes through these stages, no exemption. Yeah, the stage 1 is if you haven't started anything yet. You're watching videos, you're seeing ads of how to make money online, you're saving posts, people's posts, you're taking screenshots but no action. You're not taking action, you keep saving them and you keep procrastinating. That's the first stage. The second stage is you start something but it's not working yet. Maybe you make small money the first week, or even maybe you make nothing at all. This is where most people quit. You're not patient enough. Now the third stage is where consistency starts paying off. You're not rich, but money is coming in regularly. At least you're sure of getting something by the end of the week. This is where online income becomes real. Yeah, only a small percentage of people reaches this stage. I mean this third stage, not because it's impossible, but because most people stop at stage 2, where they give up on time. They are not patient enough to make that money. That's because they've been expecting lottery. They've been expecting jackpots. Online making money is not jackpots. Yes, it requires consistency. Now let's talk about 2 ways people really make money online. I'm going to keep this very simple. There are only 2 real paths. Option 1 is sell a skill or service. If you can edit video, I've always been saying this in my previous videos. If you can edit videos, if you can design flyers, if you can write, if you can manage social media, or even learn one simple skill, people will pay you. Yeah, you don't need millions of followers to do this. You just need one client that will pay, one person that is willing to pay you. Yeah, platforms like Fiverr, platform like Upworks, or even Instagram, and even your TikTok. Yes, it works for this. Yeah. This is the fastest way to start earning online. Fastest way, not the easiest though. Now option 2 is to sell a product. Yeah, instead of selling your time, you sell a product. This could be physical products, it could be digital products, or even affiliate products. Yeah, the good part is you don't need to touch inventory. Yeah, your main job becomes content and traffic. That's it. If 1% of people watching your content buys a product, that adds up quickly, right? That's how creators scale. Yeah. So now we're going to be talking about why most people fail online. Yeah, let me say this gently. People want online income to change their life. But they don't want to change their habits. Yeah, they want results without structure. Yeah, they want money without patience. They want growth without discipline. These are impossible. This is online business. Online business, easy business, just digital. You get me? So if you treat it like a lottery ticket, you will get lottery results. Okay, so now let's talk about what you should actually do. More like a simple plan. Pick one method. Yeah, not two, not three. This works, so work on it consistently, even when it's boring, especially when it's becoming boring, like you keep doing and nothing is coming up, or nothing is showing up, or no good results. Keep up, keep doing it. Stop chasing motivation, or build routine instead. Yeah, that's how people quietly win online. Quietly. Okay, so guys, if this video helps you think differently, give us a like. It really helps the channel. Also subscribe if you want more honest conversation about making money online without noise. I know the motivational speaker, I will tell you the truth. And tell me in the comment section which part you're choosing. Is it the skill or the product? I'll see you in the next video. Catch you all later. Bye.